Hello, my name is Kim and you're on my channel. Today I will tell you how I got literally hundreds of thousands of impressions and tens of thousands of clicks in my one Pinterest post, and how you can promote your product or service on Pinterest. Let's get started. Pinterest is the 8th most popular social networking site with almost 1 billion views every month. As you understand, it is a lot of traffic, and more importantly, 45% of all of the visitors live in the US. If you want to check the traffic for any site free and fast, you can watch the detailed tutorial on the hint above or the link in the description box. Okay, let's back to Pinterest. Originally, this site was created for designers and artists. In other words, on this platform, visual style of your post, pins, is very important for the viewers and search algorithm. The biggest advantage of Pinterest over other social is the opportunity to paste the link in all of your pins. This feature was from the very beginning and still keeps on the platform. If someone clicks on your pin, he can go through to your link. Special for you, I prepared the top 7 recommendations on how to drive more traffic to your pins. Recommendation number 1. Use powerful triggers. Emotions. Make an accent on the emotion. It is the most important rule working in every niche. For example, if you need to promote plumbing repair service, you can show on the half of pin consequences of a leaking faucet and how people are upset because of this. On another part of the pin, how your service can help to fix this problem. Recommendation number 2. Use infographics. This way of presenting information helps to visualize complex actions and attracts attention. It is suitable both to show sports exercise and to explain something on the topic of programming. Recommendation number 3. Use idea pins and video. Idea pins don't allow attaching links or making ads campaign, but these pins get much more impressions compared to ordinary pins because the Pinterest algorithm is more willing to promote them. It is the best way to get more subscribers for free and as fast as possible. The same situation with video. All social media now promote the video. Even Instagram, originally created for the images, now promotes the video format. Recommendation number 4. Sex is a driver of views. If you see how many views and engagements receive pins without sexy people and with sexy people, you will find out that is a big difference. Almost in every niche, you can think of a way to add a pinch of sexiness and attract attention. But use it smart, because your subscribers may think that your pins don't equal your niche. Moreover, your pins would be banned for too much sexy content. Recommendation number 5. Make your pins regularly. This rule works now for every social media. You need to make 3 to 4 pins every single day. In time, you will notice that each of your pins gets more and more impressions. Recommendation number 6. Make your pins clear. Use quality and original images. It is very important to pay attention to your visitors. Don't use a lot of words on your images. Only 2 to 4 words will be enough. A large number of words scatters attention and reduces the chance of interaction with your pin. Recommendation number 7. Group boards. Another great way to get more views is on Pinterest. You can find the boards, join them and repin your pins according to the rule of the boards, cause get views from people who followed these boards. To find boards in your niche that are accepting new members, you can use the site web tool pingroupit.com. After you will find the boards, just click join or send a private message to the board owner. After you are accepted into the board, you will have the opportunity to pin there. You will find a link to today's web tool in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, welcome to the comments below. Good luck!